Sir, just 1 or 2 minutes. Let me talk about this. Okay, sir. Here, just take very special care about yeah, the terminology. Next a few minutes, what I'm talking is that these are very important things, right? Okay, legend. Sir, here first thing what you people should aware. I hope almost around 10 to 15 sessions we completed in our regular days. Almost by this time, almost around 15 classes we completed, right? Correct. Now, are you feeling a bit comfortable with the Python language or not? Yes, can you please confirm? So from zero level, okay, we moved to the next level, maybe 5% or 10%, like okay, now I'm in a position to recognize Python code thoda thoda. Okay, clarity aa gaya. Okay, yes, koncham koncham. Okay, thoda thoda clarity aa gaya, like are you feeling like that? Yes, friends. Or otherwise, sir, it seems it's very difficult. It seems very difficult, difficult, like anyone feels like okay, please take a bit very special care. Okay, just few points I have to tell for you people, right? Okay, remember a bit very carefully, right? Sir, not only Python, anything anything you want to learn. Maybe some people are learning Python, maybe some people are learning DevOps, maybe some people are learning data science tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow you may learn data science, or some people may learn data structures and algorithms, like sir, anything you want to learn, anything you want to learn. So first thing what you people should aware. Yes, first thing what you have to keep in your mind is it is very easy. Remember that. Okay, any technology, any technology, or any language is very easy, right? First you should believe this point in your mind. Remember this one, sir. You have to inject this point in your mind. Okay, so it's very easy, sir. The here what why most of the people are feeling some topics are difficult, some topics are very easy, like sir, simple terminology. Okay, you you came across multiple subjects in your academics. So I hope everyone completed 10th class or intermediate or otherwise engineering or MTech or MCA, like everyone completed, right? Can you please confirm? So which is subject in your academics you felt very easy? Yes, friends. For every person, some subject is there. Anyone, can you please tell, sir, the subject is very interesting. The subject I felt very easy. Like anyone, can you please tell? Can you please tell? Anyone? Some people are telling mathematics. Okay. Some people are telling DBMS. Some people are telling DBMS. I'm seeing. So theory of missions. Oh, theory of missions. Some people are feeling theory of missions. Engineering graphics. Like I'm seeing multiple. So here, just take very special care. Your favorite subject is there. You are feeling very easy subjects. Okay, you are feeling very easy. The subject is the very easy, right? Can you please tell any subject which is the difficult in your academics? Any difficult subject? Can you please tell? Yeah, please confirm. Any difficult subject in your academics? Yes, calculus, history, microprocessor, data structures, Java. Okay. In data structures, M1 and data structures, like some people are telling. Okay, some people are telling yes, a data structure. Some people are telling next Java. Some people are telling mission design. Some people are telling. Okay, so like computer organization, computer graphics. Okay, like there are some people who are telling. Okay, for every person there is some difficulty subject is there. Believe me, sir. Okay, why these subjects are very difficult? Why these subjects are very easy? The reason for that is the faculty who is teaching this person makes these subjects are very easy. Okay, in your college, the person who is handling these subjects, okay, that faculty created complexity for you people. Okay, really these subjects are very easy subjects. Okay, in some college the people who are feeling data structures is very difficult, but in other college data structures is a very easy subject for them. The only reason for that, the only difference is that the faculty who is handling makes that subject as the easy, that subject as the difficult. Because in reality, no easy subject or no difficult subject, we have only subjects, that's all. Okay, remember this one, no easy subject, no difficult subject, we have some subjects, that's all. Okay, but in any subject there are some area you have to listen carefully, some area, okay, easy things are there. Okay, easy things means just by listening one time you can get, but there are some areas you require to more concentration, you have to listen more concentration, you require to listen. Okay, like this one. So means what my intention is, no difficult subject in the world. Okay, no difficult subject or no difficult language or no difficult technology in the world. Remember this one, sir. Okay, no difficult subject, any subject is a very easy. Remember a bit very carefully. First you should believe this word. You have to inject this word in your mind. Okay, remember this, sir. If you are going to ask me, sir, tomorrow, can you please, because there are some students are keep on requesting me every day, minimum 5 to 10 members, 10 students, even online students also, they are talking with me over the phone. So everyone is asking, sir, can you please start data science, can you please start DevOps, can you please start data structures, these type of requests keep on coming for me. Even I told, so once I will get the time, okay, definitely I will handle. So believe me, you can ask any subject, I can handle any subject. Sir, can you please handle Greek and Latin subject? Yeah, why not, I can handle. Sir, can you please handle Hindi subject? Why not, I can handle. Remember, sir, can you please handle some Cassandra database? Yeah, why not, I can handle. Are you can ask me anything, I can handle, because I believe this statement, no difficult subject in the world, everything is very easy. Remember that. So whatever subject you are learning, first thing you have to believe this one is the easy. Okay, because the reason for that, okay, the behavior, okay, the behavior of any technology is always fixed. Remember this one. Array brain, in what way it is going to respond, we don't know, but the technologies, the programming languages, the subjects are brainless stupid technologies. Remember this one, sir. Robo is there. Robo is always going to work based on the instructions or not. Yes, the behavior of robo is always fixed or not. The functionality of robo is always fixed or not. Yes, it's always fixed, it's always fixed. It never going to behave abnormally. Remember carefully, right? The same way, suppose if I'm taking here, okay, sir, here just I'm trying to take x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, if x is equal to 10, print hello, x value is a 10, x value is a 10. If I execute this program in my machine or in your machine or in any other machine, can you please confirm, is the same output am I going to get or not? Is the system to system, language to I mean country to country, is it going to be changed? No, no. So the behavior of Python is always fixed, always fixed. Remember this one, sir. So if I run this code, if I run this code here, just observe that carefully. Yeah, the output is always fixed. The output is always fixed, sir. Py tester.py. If you execute this code in your system, definitely the same answer we are going to get. Okay, now here just observe. If I can take something okay, print hello, like I'm trying to take, sir, print of hello, like I'm trying to take, immediately error we are going to get. Okay, remember, array indentation, there is a problem is there, indentation, in my system, or otherwise ignore this indentation, I didn't cover yet, sir. Else I'm taking print x value is not 10. Okay, like I'm trying to take, can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? Please respond. Okay, we didn't cover flow control. At least some people may recognize, is it valid or invalid. The reason for that, array here colon is missing, the colon is missing. If I execute this program in my system or in any other system, it is going to tell syntax error. So the behavior of any programming language is always fixed, is always fixed. Every programming language so is described by Every programming language is described by, okay, do you know, a set of rules. The person who know most of these rules, that person is the expert in the subject. Okay, remember this one, sir. That person here is that person is the expert in the subject. Okay, nothing. So just you have to learn those rules, the rules related to the technology, that technology. Okay, you have to learn today one rule, tomorrow two more rules, day after tomorrow three more rules. If you are keep on learning, at certain point you will become expert. Getting the point, right? Okay, so just slow and study slowly. Yes, sir, this part is difficult, you have to move a bit slowly. Sir, this part is very easy, you have to move a bit speed. Some, sir, something like you are traveling, you are driving the car. Okay, road is very clear, sir, no vehicle, no traffic. Then you can run, you can drive almost 130 140 speed, no problem at all. Sir, here full vehicles are there, traffic is more, or otherwise speed breakers are coming. What you require to do? Slowly you have to start, you have to wait, and you have to slowly you have to cross the speed breakers. Are you getting? Slowly you require to cross. So in our subject also, in our subject also, there are some difficult things, there are some easy things are there. Easy things speedily we will cover, difficult things slowly you have to learn. But the person who aware all the rules, that person will become expert. Remember this a bit carefully, right? So first thing you should believe, any subject is a very easy. Okay, no difficult subject in the world. Remember that all these subjects are brainless technologies, brainless technologies. Okay, all these are all these are brainless. Sir, brain is there for Python. Brain is there for Python. You respond, the brain is there for the Python? No, no, no brain, no brain. Okay, no brain for Java. Brain is there? No, brainless, brainless stupid technologies. Stupid technologies, brainless stupid technologies. The behavior is always fixed. Remember carefully, sir, the behavior is always fixed, fixed behavior only. There fixed behavior, right? That's why. So that's why don't worry much about the technologies. Okay, any technology you can learn, but only thing is slowly, step by step, line by line, better to concentrate. Then you can learn anything, sir. Sir, you may ask, sir, sir, can you handle data science? Yeah, can you handle data science? Like some people are going to ask, what's my answer? Yeah, yeah, sir, can you handle data science? What's the answer? Okay, in the future, are you going to handle data science or not? What's my answer? Sir, simple. I never going to tell I don't know that subject. Okay, so I can tell, yes, I can handle, yes, I can handle. Then immediately you ask, sir, without knowing how you can handle, how you can handle. Okay, like sir, believe me, if I want to learn anything, directly I will announce the batch. I never going to learn, directly I will announce the batch, believe me, sir. Just what I will do is, just before coming to the class, just okay, some 2 hours or 3 hours I will spend in the park for my preparation. Okay, observe. So I will open the Google, or otherwise I will open the YouTube, or otherwise any videos I will refer. Then, so first time I didn't get anything. Because I don't know anything in the data science, right? Array, what subject, what topics are there, what thing is there? I don't know, right? I don't know that. What I have to do is keep on listening, keep on listening, keep on listening. Sir, believe me, I can't understand single line also. Keep on listening or keep on reading. I can't understand single line also, no problem. It's a very common, it's a very common. What I will do is keep on listening, keep on reading. At certain point, at certain point, what will happen is, then immediately, okay, a small point I may identify, a small point I may get. I may get. So again I will refer the same. Second time whenever I'm referring, some small chota clarity will come, a small clarity will come. If I refer the same thing third time, fourth time, oh, automatically all these things I can aware. Getting the point, right? At the beginning you can't understand, don't worry, it doesn't mean that subject is the difficult. It because it's the first time you are seeing in your life, that's why you may feel difficult. It's a very common thing. Okay, second time, third time, if you are going to refer, then automatically that the difficult thing also will become very easy. Have you observed, right? Getting the point like that. So keep on spending the time. If you are spending the time with more patience level, if you are spending the time, then automatically that subject will become very easy. That's what I'm telling. Okay, so no subject in the world is the difficult. It's a very easy. You can learn any subject. If you are feeling that concept, that concept is the difficult, means you require to spend more time. Beyond that, nothing. So where you are facing the difficulty related to that point, better to spend some time. Automatically that problem by default will be resolved. So it is a very common, some area is facing the problem, then immediately is going to generalize, that subject is a very difficult. Are you getting? That subject is a very difficult. Or first time if he's not getting, then not, that subject is a very difficult, I can't understand anything. Don't keep such a type of negative points in your mind, because these negative points are going to spread negative energy for your body. Clear, right? Are you in the position to understand my point? Okay, no subject in the world is the difficult. That's why better to spend more time, better to spend slowly. If you are feeling a bit difficult, yes, that the difficulty you have to resolve with by spending some time. Okay, like sir, you don't feel, if you are traveling, if you are driving the car, the total road is the very clean, the total road is dedicated for you, no, because sometimes maybe speed breakers may come, sometimes maybe other vehicles may come, okay, sometimes heavy traffic may be there. What you require to do is, you require to, so slowly you have to go. Getting right? So don't feel any subject don't feel any subject, sir, this subject is the difficult for me. No such type of thing. First, better to keep, better to remove that point from your mind. Do you know how many subjects I handle, sir? I handle SEJP, okay, OCJP, like I handle advanced Java. I handle advanced Java. I handled Python. I hope core Python, advanced Python. I handled Django. I handled DRF. I handle Linux. I handle blockchain. Okay. I handle blockchain. I handle DevOps. Okay. I handle DevOps. Part of the DevOps I handle. I handle part of the DevOps. Tomorrow you can ask any other subject. Yeah, Durga sir is there. Definitely is going to handle. Getting right? I handle UI technologies also. UI technologies also. Now I'm handling MongoDB. Have you observed, right? Yes, friend. Have you observed how many subjects I handle? My target is that 40 to 100 subjects I want to learn. 40 to 100 subjects I want to learn. Tomorrow you can say data science. Day after tomorrow you can say data structures also, because there are several people who are requesting, sir, can you please handle like, yeah, can you please handle like, some people are asking, okay, like how I can handle all these things. Only one reason, sir, I never going to feel any subject is the difficult. Remember this one. Getting right? Smita, in the Windows you require to install Python separately, but in Ubuntu by default Python is there. Nothing. The same commands, happily it's going to work. Okay, yeah, so I never going to feel anything is the difficult, because if anything, any part I'm not getting, means it's a very common, maybe second time, maybe third time I may get that. That feeling is there, that feeling makes me to learn anything. That's why, so these type of points, better to remove from your mind, okay, or otherwise, so you have to keep, anything I can learn, anything I can learn, okay, any subject is easy for me, is easy for me, like, if you are getting the time, better to keep on this type of points. Okay, so better to keep on saying these points. Hare, I can learn anything. So once you are using this type of terminology, I can learn anything, I can learn anything I can learn, any subject is easy for me. If you are keep on using this type of terminology, automatically that subject will become very easy for you. Okay, that subject will become very easy for you, right? Okay, because, okay, next, any, sir, no difficult subject, no difficult subject, no difficult subject no difficult subject. Okay, like remember, no difficult subject. So if I'm not getting, if I'm not getting this subject, means you have to think that okay, it is very common. It is very common. We have to spend more time, more time. We have to refer again and again. We have to refer again and again, again and again. Automatically, at certain point, you will get that subject. You will get that subject. Remember that a bit carefully, right? Getting the point, right? So anything you can learn, anything you can learn very easy. Remember a bit very carefully. If you are keep on using this type of terminology, nothing is there. No subject is the difficulty in the world. Are you in the position to understand? Oh, yes, no. Okay, sir, it's a very difficult. Sir, I don't know about this subject. Like, don't. Because if you are feeling difficulty means which point is the difficult, there you have to spend more time. Don't generalize the total subject is the difficult. Okay, suppose on the road, maybe speed breakers are available somewhere, or otherwise heavy traffic at certain point. It doesn't mean the total road is the difficult road. No. Okay, wherever speed breakers are coming, just slowly you have to move. If the road is very clear, then go 150 speed. No one is going to worry. So, so you never going to feel Python is the very difficult or Java is the very difficult. Such type of terminology don't use. If you are using the word difficulty, the subject is the difficult, I will give left and right. Okay. Yeah. So there are some students who are asking blockchain videos. No, it is just I handle offline sessions, no online sessions. That's why videos are not available among. Next up, there are some people who are asking 7:30 to 9. Can you please share the running notes? Definitely, I will share the running notes. Don't worry. Already that link is available for everyone. Okay. So even you don't know anything about the programming background, just I'm using at the beginning only. I'm telling in the beginning sessions only to learn a Python, which is required, sir. To learn a Python, which is required, sir. No subject is required. Nothing is required. Nothing is required. Just you have to aware. You have to aware how to read English. You have to aware how to read English. Okay, you have to aware how to read English. If you know that point, then automatically Python is very easy. Nothing, sir, I can read English, I can understand English. Yeah, that thing is more enough, friends. Remember, that's fine. So yes. Okay, like hope everyone in the position to understand these points. The most valuable, very important things, sir, you have to take a bit special care about these things. Okay, so that's all. I hope next one more word here. Observe, anything I can learn, any subject is a very easy for me, is a very easy for me. Okay, better to use these words. Keep on, no difficult subject in the world. Okay, in the world, no difficult subject in the world. If I'm not getting this subject, means it is very common. We have to spend more time. We have to refer again and again. At certain point, you will get that subject. Okay. So next, to learn Python, nothing is required. Next, one more thing, sir, better to use. I'm very happy because I'm very soon I will I will become expert in Python. Expert in Python. Okay, I'm giving the guarantee, sir. Don't keep any word, any doubt in this word. You can feel very happy because you people are going to feel you will become expert in the Python. I'm sure. I will give that word. Okay, so even you don't know anything, okay, even you don't know anything, definitely you will become expert in the Python, believe me, sir, because I'm spending huge amount of time, okay, for you people. Excellent, Ritik, getting the point? So still in your mind, sir, I'm learning very difficult subject in my in a very difficult subject, or this Python slow become a bit difficult. Like, if anyone having such type of negative points in your mind, better to remove those points. If you are feeling any word is the difficult, nothing, sir. Just where you are facing the difficulty, just spend 1 hour or 2 hours, then automatically it will be resolved. Yeah, believe me. So I believe only one point. No, I believe only one point. Only one point in my mind. No subject is the difficult. That's why, do you know, my admin people are keep on asking, sir, can you please handle that subject? Can you please handle that subject? Then immediately, if no other faculty is there, then immediately what I will tell, oh, do you want that subject to teach? Yes. Okay. I don't know anything about that subject except spelling. Except spelling, I don't know anything. Announce the batch. Okay. This Friday evening 7:30. Can you please announce the batch? First day, in the first session only, I'm telling. I'm going to tell the people who attended my any new technology first class. In the first class itself, I'm always telling, Array, I don't know anything about the subject, but believe me, but believe me, definitely, you are going to get more than whatever your expectations. I can use the word in the first class itself. Yes, friends, anyone attended my first sessions? Not Python, because Python already I'm the king. I'm the expert in the Python. But MongoDB I'm handling. Very recently, MongoDB I started. Yeah, in the first class, if anyone remember, I don't know anything about MongoDB. If any person is asking what syllabus you are going to cover, sorry, I don't know. I don't know. But I'm ready to handle that subject. Yes. Okay, but I'm ready to handle. Now the people who attended that batch, they can declare that, yes, sir, I'm the expert in the MongoDB. Okay, like anyone attended that class, MongoDB sessions? Now, are you feeling comfortable with the MongoDB? Anyone attended? Yes. Are you feeling comfortable? Yeah. Yes, sir, very much. This is the response one student is telling. Okay, so that's why, yeah, Aman, he's telling very much comfortable. Vardhan is telling, yes, sir, very much. Okay, like, yeah, I don't know anything, man. I will learn MongoDB with you parallelly. Okay, just follow me. I will learn and I will teach. Sir, here observe that I don't know anything, but I'm in a position to teach. Okay, I don't know anything in that subject, but I can handle that subject. How dare Durga, sir? How dare Durga sir has? Have you observed, right? Some people are going to feel. But my dare, my confidence is only one statement, because of only one subject, only one statement. Okay? Anything I can learn, any subject is very easy for me. I can learn anything, I can teach anything. Okay? If I'm feeling a bit difficult, then immediately my mindset is going to tell. Okay, oh, it's a very common. Oh, I require to spend more time here. What I will do is, just directly in the classroom, I will tell to the students, Array, by today, not getting much time to prepare. Tomorrow I will take. Don't worry. Okay, like I told in the classes. What is the problem? Is anyone is going to give the punishment to me? No. Have you observed, right? Array, today I didn't. Yes, today I didn't get the much time to prepare. I'm seeing this point is a bit difficult. Okay, tomorrow I will spend some more time, and tomorrow I will guide you in more effective way. This is the statement I told. Next, sometimes what I did is, I'm not getting much clarity, but let me talk about this point. Okay, so in the discussion we may get much clarity. Okay, tomorrow with more mature level I will explain again this concept. Please let it go. Let it go. Such type of terminology also, such type of classes also usually I'm taking in the sessions. Getting the point? Okay. Today this session is not going to record. Don't worry. Okay, just we will discuss here. Something is there in the discussion. Maybe we identify key points. I didn't get much clearly. Like I told. Okay. Getting the point, right? So nothing is the difficult in the world, friends. Better to keep easy. Better to keep this type of point in your mind, which is going to boost your confidence level. Believe me, anything I can learn, anything I can learn. So software, one more point I have to tell for you people, sir. It's a very common doubt, sir. I don't know anything about programming, I don't know anything about software. Can I do the software job or not? This is also for some people having a bigger doubt. Okay, if any person is asking this type of doubt, I will get laugh. I will get laugh. Sir, can I get on in the IT industry? Can I get on in the software? Okay, I will get laugh because to do software job, okay, 10th class knowledge is more enough. 10th class knowledge is more enough. Believe me, sir. Believe me. If any software engineer is telling, boss, software job is very difficult, he is dancing in front of you. He's acting in front of you very smartly. Remember that. Okay, remember, he's acting very smartly to do software job. 10th class knowledge, okay, SSC knowledge, 10th class knowledge is more enough. Okay, BTech degree, MTech, MCA, such type of bleedy degrees are not required for the software. Next, one more point you people should aware. To do job, to get the job, okay, several technologies are required, several things are required. Required, but to do job, nothing is required. Observe this statement, wonderful statement. Okay, to get the job, several things are required. Array, Python, Java, dot. But to do the job, nothing is required. Believe me, sir. Believe me. Okay, any person, working person is there in this session. I hope you can acknowledge my words. Majority of the things in the industry, copy paste only is going to be happen. Don't worry much. Okay, even you require to write the code also. It's very easy. Nothing will be there. It's very easy. Yes, there are some people who are working people acknowledging my statements. Believe me, sir. Believe me. Don't feel, sir, Durga sir is just a teacher. He's telling this type of statements. Array, I worked 5 years in software industry. I worked in IBM 5 years as a software engineer. Okay, every day my personal feeling, do you know, every day after completing office hours, every day my personal feeling is, array, to do this job, MTech is required to. Okay. Getting right? So nothing is difficult in the world. Better to make anything is very easy. Especially technologies are very easy. Believe me, Durga sir, how he handled these many subjects without knowing anything. Tomorrow you can ask Greek and Latin also. Yeah, I'm ready to handle. Sir, can you please handle Chinese language? Yeah, why not? Why not? Is it God's created language? No, no. N number of tutorials are available. If you provide one laptop and a Google, that's all. I can teach anything. I can teach anything. If you provide one laptop and Google internet connection, that's all. I can teach anything. Okay, so nothing is difficult. That's why, yeah, that's why, yeah. You people should be aware. So next time onwards, okay, you people never going to feel to learn anything difficult. Remember, right? Okay. Just I'm telling, I can teach Chinese. It doesn't mean compulsory required to teach. Okay. Yes. Clear. So, are you learning very easy subject or not? Can you please type yes or no? Are you learning very easy subject or not? Can you please type a yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. Is any difficult subject in the world? Is any subject is the difficult in the world? Is any subject difficult in the world? No way. Any subject is the brainless, stupid technology. Any person can learn. Believe me, sir. Okay. Better to bring your kid also. I told, right? Better to bring your kid also. The kid also can learn Python. The kid also can learn anything. Yeah, school kid also better to bring. Yes. So he or she, yeah, that kid also can learn anything, sir. I'm sure I can give that word. Okay, that much easy. Getting the point? Okay. So next, moreover, okay, especially related to the Python, what we have to do. Sir, here have you observed, right? I told in the first session only. Sir, here a small kid in the first demo session only I showed this one. Okay, in the demo session only I showed this one. Wonderful. Okay, sir, I want to personally thank you. My 8 years daughter. Okay, 8 years daughter who is studying fourth class cleared the Microsoft Python certification with a 90 percentage. Getting right? 8 years kid studying fourth standard after attending your class clear certification. Okay, with the 90 percentage. Okay, just if you want that small chota kid, yes, how cute. Huh? Getting the point, right? Small kid can clear certification, man. Small kid can clear certification. We are almost 6 feet height. Okay, our brain is very very matured brain. We can learn very the difficulty, man. Getting, yeah, you can do. You should do that. Anyone can do that. Nothing difficulty is there. Getting right? What is this one? Understand. Durga sir is asking, understand like. Huh? Okay, getting the point. So don't feel anything is the difficult. You people are learning very easy subject. Not only this one, sir. Anything is the very easy. Believe me, sir. I'm so you can remember me, sir. These many subjects I'm handling. Tomorrow also, believe me, another 20, 30 or 100 subjects I'm going to handle. Don't worry. Don't worry. My dream is I have to handle as many subjects as possible. Yeah. Okay. So MongoDB is going to be completed within few days. Then I have to update either Django next version, or otherwise I have to go for data science, or otherwise, okay, like, yes, very soon you can expect Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Python for data science. You people are going to, yes, like, okay. Yeah. There are two videos especially I want to share. Whenever you have the time, better to spend, better to refer these videos. So definitely is going to be very helpful. Okay, any technology, I hope you people may any technology you can learn easily. Okay, Durga sir. One video I kept. Okay, how to learn new technologies very easily. Okay, like, so now have a look once. Yeah. I- yeah. Oh, ayo, I handle some more subjects, man. I didn't add. I forgot my handle subjects. Manual testing. Manual testing. I forgot. Manual testing I handle. Do you know? Next and after that, Selenium I handle. Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python I handle. Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python. Python I handle. Have you observed? Okay. These subjects also I handle. Okay. Like, now observe a bit very carefully. Okay. Yes. Mm, there are. Yeah. Can you please observe a bit very carefully this line? What this person is telling, I don't know who is this person also. Okay, just have a look once what he is telling. What this person is telling, sir. I felt something like if I watch this video a few years back, I could see myself in a great position, but nothing is late. I follow your approach from now. Okay, so it's a life changing video, something like, definitely you have to refer this video. You are okay. Yeah, Aman, just okay. Yes, observe carefully. Definitely, it's going to be very helpful, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's. I don't know. I don't know who is this person. Okay. Yes. Can you please have a look on the comments also? Getting very true. To get a job, everything is required. To do the job, nothing is required. Some student already acknowledged it. Getting. So my intention is, I hope you people are. You have to get. Okay. Better to refer this video compulsory, friends. Definitely, it is going to be helpful. Have you saved the link? Can you please confirm? Yes. Have you saved the link, right? Okay. Yes, sir. There is one more thing, sir. It's a very common doubt for most of the people. Sir, it's a very common doubt for most of the people. How you manage your time. Yes, correct, right? This is the bigger doubt for most of the people. Yeah, this is, sir, you are running an organization, you are handling the batches, and you are learning new subjects, and you have family. I have two kids. I'm enjoying my family life. Okay, like, but how you are managing? Okay, like, yeah. Yes, sir. How you are doing this one, sir? How you manage your time is the biggest doubt for most of the people. Yes. Okay. For that, only one line answer. Okay. So here, uh, no one has time to do everything. Okay. Remember this one. Remember this statement. No one has the time to do everything, but everyone has time to do important things. Can you please have a look once? How beautiful this statement. No one had the time to do everything, but everyone had the time to do important things. If you are going to prioritize your activities, then automatically anything is possible. You have plenty of time to learn. You have plenty of time to enjoy. Okay, you have plenty of time to do your job. Believe me. Wonderful, wonderful golden words are these. Getting right? Okay, sir, for this also I did a wonderful video. Okay, if you have the time, better to refer this one, sir. So how to get how to get biggest results in least time, something like a Durga, sir. Okay, like any video is there, yeah. How to get a biggest results in least time. Okay, like, so compulsory better to refer this video. Okay. Wait, who is these people, man? Yes, here just observe that. This is the link. Have a look once. Three here just. Hmm, some people. Pareto principle 80 by 20. Yes. Here just, sir, due to your video, I had realized that in my life I will plan accordingly. Okay, like, something. Hmm, yes. Valuable ideas for me, especially. Okay. Have you observed? Nice methodologies for management in our career. Thanks. Okay, like, excellent video. It will be very useful in our day-to-day life also. Getting. So like n number, definitely it is going to be very, very helpful for you people, right? I'm sure. Okay, just refer this video also. Okay, how you can manage your time. This is because our life is a very small. Okay, because our life is a very small life. Okay, in that life we have to do a number of things. Huh? n number of things we have to do in our life, in our small chota life. That's why compulsory. Okay, like getting right. Okay, better to refer these two videos. Definitely it's going to be very helpful for you. Okay, that's what I'm telling. Okay, well, so next, what you require to do that, sir. Okay, to get confidence in the subject, sir, just a few important tips I'm expecting from you people. What you have to do is, sir, after completing every session, okay, every session, better to refer at least one time. Better to refer at least one time, okay, before attending the next session. Listen again that video. Okay, prepare notes on your own. If you are going to prepare the notes on your own, then you will get much clarity in the subject. Okay, remember that, prepare notes on your own. Okay, like next, if possible, refer refer any other books or videos to get some extra points, to get some extra points. If you require extra points, maybe we may miss one or two points, maybe you may get some extra points. Okay, like refer any other books, and add those extra points. Okay, like add those extra points in your notes. Sir, can you please tell some good book for Python? So my in my perspective, books are not recommended. Google is the best. Sir, if I want to learn anything, suppose here assume the CRUD operations in MongoDB. Okay, like I want to learn, sir, then automatically type this one in the Google. A number of pages are going to come. Better to copy paste to those pages and prepare a small PDF file and refer that PDF file, which is 100% more than textbooks. Remember, because every book having the limitation, but Google not having the limitation. That's why better to refer from the Google. Better to go, better to so get the subject from the Google, not from the books. Book having some limitation. Okay, having limited knowledge, but Google, do you know, no limit. Suppose here CRUD operations in MongoDB, I want to learn, sir. Okay, just your total life you can spend only for CRUD operations if you are interested. Okay, just I'm trying to type array CRUD operations in MongoDB. Sir, here just observe how many results came. 5 lakhs 89,000 results in 0.39 seconds. Okay, now at least 10 5 or 6 pages or 10 pages you can refer. If you feel, oh, this is good, it is with the example is explained, then automatically copy paste into your document, prepare a PDF file. If you want, you can take the printout, or otherwise open the PDF and read. These type of thing must be required. Suppose here there are some people are telling, okay, if else practice questions in Python, practice questions in Python, like yeah, open that. Yes, practice questions Python, decide if else, Python conditional statements, exercises and practice questions for loop, 10 exercise questions. Okay, like what you can what you can do is just copy paste these things. If you feel, just open this. Yes, I'm trying to open this one. Okay, observe that my approach, what you have to follow. Don't buy textbooks unnecessary, the waste. Yeah, here take values level 1. Take values of length and breadth of rectangle from user and check if it is the square or not, something like. Take two into values, like it is they're writing. Okay, better to, oh, seems to be good. You can spend some time, you can spend some time on these things, so that if you are going to practice, yeah, this knowledge is enough. No, you are not required to refer anymore. Yes, I got sufficient knowledge in this area, then leave this. Why? If you buy any book, what will happen in that book, 3 or 4 examples will be there. But if you start habitizing to refer Google, it is going to provide thousands of examples, lakhs of examples. I told, right? Getting I told, right? So here just if we also practice questions in 0.64 seconds, how much value it is? Can you please observe that? How much? What is this value? Can you please read this one? Ah, what is this value, sir? Array respond. What is this value? Can you please convert into words? 1 crore 94 lakhs results are there. Your total life you can spend only on if else practice questions only if you are interested. Are you getting? So more. Don't go for any textbooks kind of thing. Waste. I hope your required point, I hope you got. Not only this, anything you can ask. Are, sir, I saw one beautiful girl. I saw one beautiful girl. I want to impress her. How I can? Okay. How to impress a girl? How to impress a girl? Yeah. 10 ways to impress a woman. 10 ways to impress a woman. How to impress a girl? 11 steps with pictures also. 3 ways to impress a girl. Array, Google is there, man. Anything you can learn. Are getting? I told right at the beginning, sir, if you are going to give one laptop and with the internet connection, then I can handle any subject. 20 ideas on how to impress a girl. Yeah, getting the point, right? Okay, just I'm telling a bit funny, but anyway, so that's what subject wise better to apply. That's what I'm telling. Getting right? I hope the terminology is very clear for you people, right? Not required to keep any explanation. So you should not, you never going to feel any subject is the difficult in the world. Very easy thing. The only thing you require to do, friendship with the subject. Okay, this word is also very important. You require to do friendship with the subject. You are required to do friendship with the subject. Friendship with the subject. With the subject. How you are going to treat your girlfriend? The same way you have to treat the subject also. You have to give the respect. You have to take. You have to take very much care. Okay, about. Yes, you have to. You should consider that, sir. Next, believe me, sir. I'm telling another small point. Okay, so subject is going to provide. Is subject is the only thing. Sir, here observe very carefully. Subject is the only thing, only thing which is going to settle your life. Settle your life. Believe me, sir. Believe me. The reason for that why I'm telling this one is, if you are good at subject, what will happen? Array, if you are good at subject, good at subject, what will happen? Do you know? So if you are good at subject, you will get the job. You will get job. Then automatically, yes, once you got the job, your family will be settled or not? Yes, your family will be settled. Will be settled. Then automatically, if you are getting good job, then automatically marry with a beautiful girl. Marry with a beautiful girl. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful girl. Marry with a beautiful girl. Okay. Dot, and so on. Okay, like it's a so just your subject, sir, is going to provide n number of things in your life. Okay, remember, so you people are logging from over the world, okay, to attend my class, correct, right? Can you please tell what is your from which location you log in? From which location you are attending this session? Yes, Hyderabad, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Maharashtra, Pune. Yes, USA, Bangalore, I'm seeing. Nasik, Malaysia, Indore, Odisha, Patna, Uttar Pradesh, UK, Meghalaya, next West Bengal, Bangalore, yes, Chandigarh, Bihar, like almost all. So almost I'm seeing in India, every place I'm seeing in my chat window. In India, every place I'm seeing in the chat window. Okay, like some other countries also like UK, Singapore, Malaysia. next US. Like I'm seeing, right? Now I have one small doubt, sir. If Durga sir is not going to teach Python, so why you people are logging? Just to learn Python. To learn Python. Correct, right? Just to learn Python. Okay. So if Python is not there with me, okay, if I'm not going to teach Python, then no one is going to see my face. Getting right? You people joined this session to learn Python. Okay, now observe the importance of Python. Okay, my kid is asking, Baba, can you please bring one aeroplane toy? Okay, like he's morning he asked aeroplane toy I required. I had twins. Okay, both are at the age of 5 years. Okay, they are asking, Baba, okay, Dad, can you please bring one aeroplane toy we required? Like then immediately I required that. Then I have to pay something from my account. So how I got the money? Anyone, can you please tell how I got the money? Okay, to get the toys for my kids. How I'm getting the money? Yes, because I'm teaching Python. Okay, some students are paying the fee. Office people are going to provide the money for me. Then automatically I'm getting. Okay, sir. Today my wife asked while coming, can you please bring biryani packet? Hyderabad is the very famous. Okay, can you please? I want mutton biryani, something like. Yes, I paid 1,000 rupees to get one family pack of mutton biryani. Assume that. How I'm getting that 1,000 rupees? Ayo, respond. From my native place, my father asked, Hare, for lands, okay, for farmlands, okay, there is a what we call something I required. Can you please send 15,000 rupees? This is the Google Pay number. I send 15,000 rupees today morning. How am in the position to send? Yes, friends. Can you please observe that Python makes provides everything for me. Remember this one, sir. Regarding that Python subject provides everything for me. So if you learn anything, that subject is going to provide a number of things for you. That's why you have to love the subject. You have to keep whether God is there or not, but subject God is going to provide benefit or not. I don't know. I don't know. So I don't know, but your subject is definitely going to provide a number of opportunities. Oi, are you feeling comfortable, my word? Okay, love the subject, love the subject. With that subject, okay, it is going to n number of opportunities is going to provide in your life. Okay, don't learn namesake. Learn with love, learn with the passion, learn with the interest. Then obviously that subject is there forever with you. That subject is going to bring n number of opportunities in your life. Yes, Bhargavi, I can see the messages. Okay, clear for you people, right? So learn each and everything, okay, with full care, with passion, with love, with attachment, because it's going to provide a number of benefits for you people, right? Yeah, Bhargavi, I will share. So please believe me. Okay, now, so that's what I'm telling. So don't learn namesake, better to learn with full care. 35 years old can learn or not? Wow, wonderful. For the answer, we have to use this word. One person is asking, Vinay Patil, you are my old student only, I hope. 35 years old can learn or not? This is the question what he is asking. Okay. I want to tell one small point. My age is 60 years around. Arre, really, my age is 60 years. I'm 60 years at the age. Okay. Now I'm learning, right? Yeah, Vinay Patil. Just my age is 60 years, I'm learning, right? I will tell one small point. Today morning, today morning, one student, my already existing Python batch student, today morning he made a call because do you know his age is almost more than 60 years. More than 60 years. His name is Vemprala Subbarao, sir. Okay, Subbarao. Okay, like he's learning from, okay, from Andhra, he's learning Python. Do you know his age is 60 years, sir? Okay, you can't believe. Okay, he's if I'm giving any assignment, he's the last batch students, currently he's attending MongoDB also. In the last if I'm giving any assignment, the first person who is going to provide response is this person only. Yeah, really, I'm feeling, I told in the session multiple times at this point in that session, more than 60 years at that person age. Okay, another person is there from Tamil Nadu, RK Gupta sir. Gupta sir, his age is remembered. He what he, do you know, he's the person who is the retired person. Okay, retired person, more than 60 years almost. Gupta sir, Gupta sir, he's almost around 70, 60 to 70 years, in the middle, that person, they are learning Python. Array, when I is asking, sir, at the age of 35 years, is it possible to learn? When I getting the point. Okay. Then in the morning, so Subbarao sir, he made a call. Sir, definitely I want to come and I want to meet you. So without listening your class, without listening your class, I'm feeling that something I'm missing. Like every day, at least few minutes, I have to listen your video, sir. You know, I don't know. You became my family member. I don't know that attachment. Maybe we had this association maybe from last Janma or something like that person used. Really, I felt very happy. Yeah, have you observed, right? He this person today morning only he told that point. Yeah. Okay. So my intention of telling is, at that age also the people are learning. To learn, so age is not constrained. Okay, your job time is not constrained. Only thing is you have to love to learn. You have to decide yourself to learn. Getting right? So love subject, that subject is going to provide a number of opportunities in your life. Remember that. If your subject is good, you are getting branded top MNC. So level 5 MNC company, then you are going to marry level 5 level girl only. If your subject is not up to the mark, you may get small job. Your life is also settled with a small, everywhere you require to compromise. Love the subject, which is going to provide a number of opportunities for you. Then I told, Array, only one SCJP subject, only one SCJP subject is providing a big opportunity for me. Then if I handle 40 subjects, then how much money I will get, how much fame I will get, how much satisfaction I will get. Then I realized one day, then I start keep on handling the remaining subjects. Getting right? Huh? Believe me, sir. So why I'm handling? Yes, Hari, only one subject is providing this much benefit. Then if I'm going to handle multiple subjects, how much benefit I'm going to get? How much satisfaction I will get? Getting right? Yeah. So that's why. So you have to love your subject, not only your girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay. So better to keep subject also part of your body. Okay, next, any subject you can learn very easily, believe me, sir. Okay, you should have this type of things in your mind, then definitely it's going to be helpful. Clear, right? That's it. I don't know, so why, definitely these points are going to be helpful. Okay, these things must be required in your life also. Highly recommended, good programming practice, these things. Okay, compulsory you should. Okay, so my intention is only one thing, love subject. That's what you have to aware. So learn line by line, anything you can learn. Okay, believe me, that subject is going to provide a number of opportunities. If I'm taking a cup of tea for 10 rupees cup of tea, that cup of tea I can take just because of my Python subject, because of my subject only. Remember that. Okay, just whatever money you provided, with that only my life is get on. If I'm not unable to handle the subject, I'm unable to get on my life. Okay, remember that subject is going to provide a number of opportunities for me in my life. So such a type of thing, if you want, you have to love your subject, you have to learn the subject with love, with passion, with attachment. Nothing is difficult in the world. That's what my intention of telling. Getting right? Yeah.